Today was a beautiful day because we had an opportunity to express to the youth, the best part of life, which is freedom.
We've been working with Williams Academy where we presented bikes as part of a program to help them learn how to ride a bike.
Watching some kids who may not have access to a bike at this time get an opportunity because of the generosity of HDR, it's been by far one of the coolest moments to experience.
That natural connection of helping somebody learn how to ride a bike and use the types of facilities that we're designing and helping communities construct was just a really great synergy.
I witnessed probably 2 or 3 kids fall down today, and they got right back up. And that's what life is about.
That is equivalent to learning how to drive a vehicle as a teenager. The most important, but also one of the most relevant experiences in our development as youth and young people.
They really gave their time. They came out, they had a chance to really meet little Johnny and little Susie and hang out with them in full. It changed at least 25 lives today.
It's really rewarding as an employee owner that we're able to provide these opportunities for folks in our own community.